Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to finish implementing the registration screen. So we will be implementing this screen, also this one and this one. So we will be starting with this one, the agreement screen. So this is where we left in the last video. So let's go to our view folder. Let's create a new file, a swiftui view. Let's call it agreement view. Okay, perfect. It will be a vstack with an alignment of dot leading and a spacing of 20. And to this vstack I will be giving it, of course, a toolbar. So a toolbar, and as always the one I hate, so let's make it cleaner. And here it will be toolbar item with dot top bar leading, and here it will be image, system name, arrow dot backward, and with dot image scale of dot large, and on tab gesture. And here let's add environment slash dot dismiss private var dismiss, and here we will be calling dismiss, which is perfect. And also we will give it dot background of color of dot system gray 5. Okay, I think it's perfect. All we need now is to call it. Let's go to our gender view. Inside our navigation link, let's make here a call to our agreement view. We will call agreement view, and we will make the back button hidden. So back button hidden, this one navigation back button hidden. So if I go to my login view, because here we got the navigation stack, if I click create new account, from here to how old are you, if I go next to the gender, then I got this one, which is perfect, the way I want it. And if I click on it, I'm back. Okay, great. So let's go to our agreement view, and here, as you can see, we got agree to Facebook terms and policies. So we will have a text which will be agree to Facebook's terms and policies. Okay, perfect. It will have a font of dot title 2, a font weight of dot bold, a padding of dot top. Okay, then we got this text, so it will be text. I'm sorry, today there will be a lot of typing, but as you probably know, that's how the agreement screen in Facebook. So a lot of text, so it will be people use or people who use our service may have uploaded, okay, may have uploaded your contact information to Facebook. Then we will have, it will be dot font of dot caption. After that we got a plus, and then you got learn more. So here I will have a plus, and then text, it will be learn more. Let me check if there is a point or not. No point. So it will also have a font of dot caption and foreground style of dot blue. Probably there is a spacing, I think. Okay, perfect. I will also add, sorry, but I will also add a spacer here, at least for now, and an A stack of spacer, just so we can get a little idea of final result. And we will give it dot padding. Okay, perfect. Okay, then we got by tapping I agree. So text by tapping, and here it will be dot font of dot caption after, and then we will have a plus, and we will have text I agree. It will have also a font of dot caption, but it will have a font weight of dot bold. Okay. Then you got you agree to create an account, so we will have, and again I apologize, this video there will be a lot of typing of text, but we need to do it anyway, so that's why. Okay, you agree to create an account and to Facebook. Okay, then we got this one which is blue, so Facebook, and then it will be of course dot font of dot caption, and then I will have the plus, and to the plus let's copy this, and it will be terms privacy policy. So terms privacy policy. So privacy policy. I apologize, I wrote it, I was wrong writing it. So and cookies policy. So I will have a plus this way, and here I will have a plus, and I think the and here I will have and. Then I will have a plus, and it will be cookies policy. So it will be this one. So text cookies policy. And again, like I said, I apologize for this video because there will be a lot of typing of text, but that's how it's done in Facebook. So okay, and I think I made a mistake because there is let me check. By tapping I agree. Okay, I forgot the plus here. So okay, so perfect. Now we got this one, which is the privacy policy So let's text to text, and it will be the, so the, and then we have privacy policy, so after the plus we will have here privacy policy with foreground style of blue. Then we will have describes the way we can use it will be text describes the way and let's give it a font of caption, and then let's write it describes the way we can use the information we collect when you create an account, for example we use this information to provide personalize and improve our products, including ads. I think finally we finished writing the text. At least, to be honest, it was annoying to write all this, but anyway, now we will have our buttons. We will have a button with an action and label, and action nothing for now, but for the label it will be text. I agree, if I'm not wrong, yes, and just it will be, the A will be uppercase. Okay, it will be a dot font of dot semi-bold. I'm sorry, dot subheadline and font weight of semi-bold. Okay, it will have a background of dot blue, a foreground style of dot white, and I need as you can see the width, so I will have dot frame with width and height. For the alignment I don't need it. For the height it will be 44, and for the width I will need my geometry reader, so first comment it so I can embed inside another VStack. I will call it geometry reader proxy in, and here I will make proxy dot size dot width -30. Okay, perfect, and I will give it dot clip shape of rounded rectangle with corner radius of 30, Okay, and also a padding of top, padding of top. Okay, perfect, I think. Now we will have my spacer, and then this button which will be already have an account. So after my spacer, I don't think I need this one anymore. It will be text. Already have an account. Okay, already have an account, yes. I think without space, yes, without space here. And it will be inside an A stack where we will have two spacer, and it will be between the two spacer. And here we will have text of already have an account. Okay, it will have a foreground style of .blue. It will have a font of .subheadline and the font weight of semi-bold. Okay, I think it's perfect the way I want it. So if I go to my login, hopefully everything will be working the way I want it to be working. So if I go from next, my gender, okay, perfect, I think. Very similar to the final app. Of course, still a lot of work to be done. We need the view model and everything, and we need to call Firebase and everything, but that's will be left to the next video. Now we need to implement this view and this one too. So we will start with this one. We won't waste a lot of time working on it, so we will have a SwiftUI view. It will be add email, and I'm going to take everything from add age. Some of you may be wondering why we are not doing a reusable component, and here I want to say that we need a reusable component, but not in this video. I'm trying to keep it as short as possible for now, and later hopefully we will be back and we will implement a reusable component. But like I said, I need to finish it now so we can start introducing Firebase in the next video. Okay, perfect. Okay, I think I got one extra. Okay, okay, it's how old are you? So let me check. It will be what's your email address? It will be what's your email address. Okay, then we got enter the email that you contacted. So it will be this one. I will also need, we will go to our registration view model, and here I will need add published var email of type string, and it will be empty by default. So here I will $view model dot email. Okay, let me just empty it to see what's the placeholder. Okay, it's email address. Okay, now I got this one, enter the email which you can be contacted. So after my text I will have another text. It will be enter the email address at which you can be contacted. No one will see this on your profile, so no one will see this on your profile, and it will have let me check what was the font we will be using. Okay, it's footnote, I think, yes. Okay, so dot font of dot footnote, and then we got this one. I think it's caption or caption 2, I'm not sure which one, but we will do it anyway. So it will be a text of you will receive, okay, we will receive email from us, okay, and can opt out anytime. Then we got the plus, and it will be another text of learn more. For this one it will be dot font of dot caption 2 and foreground style of dot blue, and for this one it will be dot font of dot caption 2. Okay, and let's make it this way. Okay, and for some reason I'm not sure why the preview is not showing, so let's build the project. One of the worst thing, to be honest, in Xcode is when the preview is not updating or refreshing in real time, so you don't know if you are going in the right path or not. Okay, perfect. I think it was caption, not caption 2. And this one, use date of birth, it will be seen up with mobile number. So for this one, I will make it caption, I think. Okay, I think it's okay. And seen up with mobile number, so here it will be seen up with mobile number. Okay, seen up with mobile number, so okay, perfect. Let's make add.com. We will go to the password and check if everything is working perfectly. So we will create another view which will be new file, swiftui view, and it will be add password. And sorry if I'm not explaining or not wasting a lot of time on this, but we already worked on so many views that are similar, so I don't feel really the need to explain or anything. Maybe I will go back later to these views, so we make a reusable component, so everything will be a little bit cleaner, but we will see anyway. The most important thing is to finish this now, so we can start working with Firebase in the next video. So it will be create a password, so create a password, second one, okay, create a password with at least 6 let me check 6 letter or numbers. It should be something that other can guess, so it should be something that others can't guess. Okay, and here we will have, okay, I need one, not two, so I don't need an A stack, I don't need the second space around the text field, the second text field, and this one will be proxy.size.width plus 5. Okay, perfect, I think. Okay, here it will be a secure field, not a text field, so it will be secure field, and let me check what's the text when it's empty. So it's password, so password. Okay, perfect. Okay, when I click on next, I need to go to the agreement view. So here it will be not age view, it will be agreement view. And okay, we don't have a view model for now, so let's make it this way. Okay, and for add email, after add email, I need to go to the password. So here I will need to, in my navigation link, to replace gender view with add password. Okay, let me check why it doesn't take any. Okay, it's a mistake, so let's fix it. So it will be registration view model, and here we will have initializer of view model of type registration view model, and here it will be self view model equal state object wrapped value of view model. Okay, hopefully perfect. Now in add email it should be working. Let me check agreement view, and I think it's gender view. From gender view I need to go to my add email view. So here I need to change agreement view with add email, and here I will pass the view model. Okay, let me check, there is an error. Okay, I need to call the view model, so to be registration view model. If I go now to my login view, hopefully everything will be working perfectly. So let's check it. Okay, if I click on create new account, okay, perfect. Then the age also perfect. Then the gender, I can select one which is perfect. Then the email address also perfect. Then create a password also perfect, and we finish with agree to Facebook's term and policy. So perfect, we finished the Sign Up screens. In the next video we will start integrating Firebase to our app. We will hopefully start by creating a new user, and we will start also with authentication. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.